Hello everyone in the third lecture for listening skill improvement. Our topic for today is the destiny. It's a very controversial topic. But before we get into the topic, there are two things that I want to mention. The first one is, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And the second one is, I just wanted to remind you that the purpose of these lectures is not the topics itself, but for improving your listening ability. So I need you to concentrate on the pronunciation, the new words, the structure of the sentences. However, let's get back to the topic, the destiny. The destiny means all the actions and activities are already written. And here we have two theories. The first theory that believes in the destiny, and the second theory that doesn't believe in the destiny. And let's figure out what does the first theory state. The first theory states that everything is already written. Whatever you see, whatever happens to you is planned before. And this life is just a play. And we are actors, professional actors. And all the actions and activities are already written in a scenario. And this way you don't get to choose what happens to you. And there is no way out of what will you face. This is your fate. This is the destiny. On the other hand, some of the people go with the second theory. They don't believe in the destiny. They believe that the human is not obligated and he is authorized to choose what to do and what not to do. They believe that whatever you do, you'll just have to live with the consequences of what have you done. This is the justice that they believe in. And here is the essential point. Beliefs are so important. Because whatever you believe in, there will be a result on that belief. And let me give you an example for the first theory. If you believe in the destiny, then you shouldn't blame anyone because they weren't authorized to choose. They were obligated by the destiny. And if you want to blame the destiny. And if you say that the destiny is wise and whatever happens to us is for our good, then don't blame anyone. Accept everything. Live your life accepting everything because you have trusted and believed in the destiny. Now let me give you another example for the second theory. If you don't believe in the destiny, then you believe that this system, this life is based on a rule of actions and reactions. So whatever you do or even think, there will be a reaction on what have you done or thought. Like if you face a trouble in your life, go back to yourself and think of the action that caused this trouble, the action that caused this reaction. All right? And I don't want to go so deep, but let me just give you this. You will not be punished or awarded by anyone because it was you who created happiness and sadness that you are living in. Also the happiness and sadness that you will live in next life. You know, like this topic is very controversial, and there are lots of debates on the table on this topic, but maybe like it is worth to think about it. Maybe you will come out with a new theory until you reach the fact. By the way, you can find this topic written in a PDF down the video. Thank you very much and see you next lecture.